Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good afternoon to our beloved friend and also Encik Eddie as our lecturer. Okay, we from group Physio team would like to present about the phototransistor. So, first of all, I would like to introduce our group members. First, Amalina Ishamuddin. The second is Salihah binti Mat Saleh. The third is me, is Nur Shazana binti Ishamuddin. Next is Nurul Hazika binti Mat Data. And the last one is Saidah binti Samsudin. Okay. Now we start with the prototype.
Kita tak nampak tu. Okay, boleh.
Good afternoon everybody and to Mr. Eddie. Alright, I want to introduce about the prototype for phototransistor sensor. As you can see, this is a prototype of phototransistor, and that has a 3 pin, and there are two types, which is NPN and for PNP, and that's all for the prototype. Next, we will pass to Nur Salihah.
Okay, I will explain about operation of phototransistor. So, first of all, the phototransistor come in two basic formats, which is those with the base is accessible, and the phototransistor is designed only to be activated by light. Okay, the next is the base accessible is not only is normal transistor operation possible, but the phototransistor may also be operated as a photodiode. Okay, as well as I know the photodiode there is two types, and it will be Saidah explanation. Okay, the application of phototransistor and photodiode are same. Okay, the main difference are in current, which is the both of light and dark will be respond in time. Okay, the quantities and specific to phototransistor operation are again the dark current and the light current. Okay. Next is the sensor use an infrared emitted diode, which is there will be activate like a sensor and to detect the reflected infrared signal. And the item for sensing back to white transition, they will can be used to detect nearby object. The range is 0.5 to 1 centimeter. Okay, the phototransistor circuit may be adjusted for a selected sensitivity range and often do not require an additional amplification, which is the phototransistor cannot be added to the amplifier. So the phototransistor will be detect on the specific current. Next is they can be applied in two modes, active or switch mode. Okay, I will explain about active mode. Okay, the active mode means the phototransistor generate an output response based on the light or irradiance level, which is IC, will be on, will be proportional to the coupled light intensity. And the switch mode, which is based on typical product performance and application condition. Okay, each application design should be evaluated for adjustment to these circuit values in order to optimize the performance of the optical sensor. Okay, can you understand about switch mode?
Okay.
The next will be on the Amalina Ishamuddin.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, I will explain about the composition of phototransistor. Okay, as you see, this is the the symbol of the phototransistor, which is actually a combination between LED and transistor. So we get the phototransistor. This is the NPN device, and it has three components, which is collector, base, and emitter. Okay. For the base, actually it will detect the light and activate the transistor. For the collector, they actually positively, which is we can use we can apply to the circuit as the positive terminal. Yes, thank you. Okay, for the emitter is the signal lead and the outlet of the larger electrical supply. Okay, as you can see, the current. Okay, the light will detect. The base will the base will detect the light, so the current will flow and back to the emitter.
Okay, which one is positive and negative terminal?
Which one?
Yes.
Positive? Is negative.
Oh, the long one is positive.
Cathode, cathode anode. So cathode the emitter, the anode is the collector.
Okay, if I've cut the lead of the phototransistor, it have a same long. How do I know the positive or negative terminal?
We can see the flat light.
Okay, that flat is.
This is for positive, this is for negative.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Another question.
Okay. Okay, continue.
Okay,
Terus je
okay,
soalan.
proceed.
Okay.
Tanah.
Next, Sana. Okay, thank you. Okay, Assalamualaikum. Okay, I will be explain about type. We have no LED diode will combine with transistor, right? Okay. Combination of transistor and diode. Then we know this current is amplified by the DC current gain to produce a significant collector current. Then we know transistor have two types, PNP and NPN. Then the another type is normal transistor. The base collector junction is reverse bias. And last one, the base collector junction is also photosensitive. It's also the photosensitive. And when light shine on the junction at the base junction, the current will develop. Okay, understand?
Yes.
Okay, for the advantage and disadvantage for the phototransistor. Okay, as we know, the phototransistor and photodiode is the same, but have a little bit difference. Okay, now for the advantage, it use the high current phototransistor produce a high current than the photodiode. So that's why we use the photodiode and phototransistor to most device other than photodiode. Okay, next the advantage is phototransistor are relative inexpensive. That means is the device is cheaper. So the next is phototransistor are very fast and are capable for the providing nearly instantaneous output. Okay, that means when phototransistor is one device that can be used like for the sensor. So when it detect the light, so it can detect faster than the photodiode. So the last one is phototransistor produce a voltage that photoresistor cannot do so. Okay, then other photo sensor is phototransistor. Phototransistor cannot produce the voltage, but photoresistor cannot produce voltage, but phototransistor can produce voltage. Okay. Next, for the advantage is phototransistor is made up of silicon and capable for the handling voltage over 1 kilovolt. That means if we use phototransistor for our device to do some project, we cannot give the more than 1 kilovolt. So next, for the advantage of phototransistor are also more capable to suggest and speak of electricity as well as electromagnetic energy. Next, phototransistor also do not allow electron to move as freely as other device, so as electron tube, such as electron tube. For the phototransistor, the electron inside of the phototransistor that we now have PNP and NPN cannot move freely. So this is that means it no space to give a vibration or noise like that. Okay, so next slide we pass to Hazika to continue our presentation.
Okay, back to me again. Okay, from we research, we can divide the application. We can divide for four. First is the computer, business equipment. The second, consumer. Third, industrial, and last, medical. As you can see, the computer and business, the application is a track zero detector, shutter floppy drive, and measuring control such as printer, read finger position, touchscreen. Nowadays, our handphone also use the touchscreen, right? Okay. Next, the consumer, the position sensor. For example, is joystick, remote controller such as toy, appliance, audio, visual, and equipment, and game, the laser tag. And for the industrial, you can see nowadays more of parents use the phototransistor for the security system and for safety shade, and also use the LED light source like pen. And lastly, for the medical, it provide electrical isolation between the patient and equipment. And for the example is a monitor intravenous injection rate. Okay, that's all.
Okay, any question?
So Zaman is
Zaman, Bella?
Okay, I want to ask something.
Yes.
Okay, how big the phototransistor can receive a voltage?
Can receive a voltage?
Yes. And furthermore, what happen if it get high voltage from its limit?
Oh yes, limit. Okay. As you can see at the disadvantage of phototransistor, the maximum voltage is 1 kilovolt only. As you can see, okay. If we give the more than this voltage, the phototransistor will blow.
And there is no phototransistor
Anymore.
we must buy another.
phototransistor same just like NPN and PNP. Function. That is same.
The function
Is the NPN actually. NPN.
the most phototransistor we use in the world is NPN. So the PNP it is same like transistor actually. The most device that we use is PNP. NPN. Okay. PNP is more difficult because they have base collector and emitter to know the delay of the base collector and emitter.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, any question? Yes, Zaman?
Okay, what are the best factory or big factory that make this phototransistor in this world?
The name of factory or what?
The name.
Name or something that you know.
Okay.
Okay, that you know, have the as we know, the factory that do this device is the best is Fujitsu, Panasonic, and also ST.
Yeah.
ST.
ST. You know ST? I don't know.
ST mean S Thompson.
Oh.
S Thompson.
Okay.
We can do some application.
Okay, any other
application that have in TV or what circuit that in the phototransistor advanced.
The application, okay, as you can see, as I told you before, nowadays it's used in the touch screen, and we can see right now, the what you call the television. Okay, television also have the touch screen, right?
Yeah.
Some
television.
television.
Smart
television lah.
Yeah. Well, yeah.
Yeah.
Any case.
Okay, no more question. Okay, thank you for listening our presentation. Thank you.
Thank you.